Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bellamicia and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my DIY hair growth clarifying scalp spray for natural hair that I showed myself using in my most recent hair mask video. In that video, I showed you guys a banging aloe vera avocado hair mask that left my hair feeling and looking oh so good. So if you haven't checked that out yet, I'll be sure to leave it in the description box down below. But if you guys are ready to see the spray for faster and stronger hair growth, just keep on watching. Alright, so this is everything you're going to need for this spray laid out right here for you. So starting off with apple cider vinegar. When diluted with water, apple cider vinegar is able to balance the pH of the hair and leave it feeling shiny, smooth, and healthy. And make sure y'all don't get that cheap stuff. Make sure you get the one that says with the mother, because that's where all the nutrients is just marinating at the bottom. You're also going to need a 16-ounce water bottle. Well, not really. You could just use, 16 ounces from the tap, the toilet, the pipe, whatever. This water bottle is for demonstration purposes only, just to show you guys what 16 ounces look like. And you're gonna need a spray bottle, of course. I got this from the beauty supply store for 99 cents. And you're gonna need 1 to 2 drops of an essential oil of your choice. I usually go for lavender, rosemary, or peppermint, or a mix of either two. No matter which essential oil you go with, all are extremely great for stimulating hair growth and growing stronger, longer, healthier hair. Alright, so you want to start off by opening your spray bottle, and then you want to measure 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Be sure to shake up the apple cider vinegar so you can get some of that good stuff from the bottom of the bottle, and then you want to add another tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then you want to dilute the apple cider vinegar with the 16 ounces of water, or however much your spray bottle can fit. And then you want to add a few drops of your essential oil of choice. And then once you're done, you want to close that water bottle up, give it a good shake, and that's it. Alright beauty, so that is my simple DIY hair growth clarifying scalp spray. When apple cider vinegar is diluted with water, it balances the pH of the hair and leaves it feeling shiny, smooth, and healthy. Of course, you could just use the apple cider vinegar hair rinse a couple of times a month or a week. It's just a great way to restore balance after days of damage, styling, and using multiple products in your hair. But I just find that adding it in a spray bottle is less messier and easier to manage. Be sure to check out my previous video where I show you my updated aloe vera avocado hair mask and also how to incorporate this scalp spray into your hair routine. I love you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.